Lord, know it completely. You had me in behind and before, and you lay hand upon me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me, too easy for me to attain. Lord, you created my remote being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. You know that full well my frame was not hidden from you when I was made in the secret place, when I was woven together in my depths of the earth. Your eyes saw my informed body. All the days ordained for me were written in your book before one of them came to be. How precious me are your thoughts, God. How vast is the sum of them, where I to count them. They would outnumber the grains, the sun. When I awake, I am still with you. May the Lord bless upon of the reading of His word.
Thank you, Noel.